We've got more mountain snow this week. I'm recording this on Monday, February the 23rd. And in Denver, the story will be going back to our October the 250th with more of those 60s and 70s this week. In fact, we could set a daily record tomorrow with a high around 70 for us here in Denver. Today, pretty quiet weather here in Denver. Will be in the mid 60s, so it'll be warm, about 20 degrees above average. Highs in the mid 60s, I mentioned. And also tomorrow for your Tuesday, February the 24th, that's when we get those highs up near 70, probably in the low 70s for tomorrow, which would be right near our daily record of 71 set back in 1995. But also on Tuesday, the wind is really going to crank up for us in the mountains. There is a high wind watch for the mountains for up to 80-mile-an-hour winds for a lot of the higher peaks west of Denver. This does not include the foothills, does not include Boulder, Highway 93, though we'll have to keep an eye on that area. This is going to be more for the higher mountains. So again, if you're traveling to or from the mountains, tomorrow for Tuesday is going to be really windy. And then mountain snow moves in very late Tuesday night. It's mainly Wednesday where it's not only snowing in the mountains along the north of I-70 in particular, but it's also going to be windy. So if you don't have to drive through the mountains on Wednesday in particular, I wouldn't. It's going to be snowy and windy. So again, that combo, I have to tell you, it's not very fun to drive through. So it is going to be pretty nasty on Wednesday travel. But good news for the mountains. And also good news with the snow is that this system is going to favor, I know that most of the I-70 Summit County mountains did really not do that well last week. They mostly got skunked by that storm last week. This storm should favor them a bit more. So you're thinking about the Keystones, the Brecks, the Winter Parks, Loveland, those areas a bit closer to Denver should do better from this week's mountain snow event. A widespread 6 inches plus likely for us in the mountains, and a few areas could come in with double-digit totals. Mostly Wednesday night. This wraps up on Thursday, and in Denver it stays in the 60s. Chance for maybe a rain shower on Thursday. Slight chance for a little snow mixed in there, but it looks like it's mainly rain for us on Thursday. But no really good rain or snow chances for Denver for the next 7 days.